Hi, my name's Amanda McDermott. I am in the Ed Leadership Program. Let's see, I live in Bend, Oregon. I'm originally from the Portland area. I went to undergrad at Oklahoma Baptist University and did my bachelor's in psychology there. And then I completed a master's in teaching from Portland State University and a special education endorsement from the University of Portland. I currently work at Oregon Family School, which is a virtual charter school here in Oregon, and my role at that school is an advisor. So I support, our model is pretty unique, so I won't try to explain all of it, but we're not a traditional brick and mortar school. I support high school students who are concurrently enrolled at a community college, and I am also the lead advisor for our team of advisors. I'm doing this program because I very well may become the principal at our high school. And what else? It asked for interests and hobbies. Let's see. Bend, Oregon, if you don't know, is sort of an outdoor mecca. So my husband and our two boys and I spend a lot of time hiking, trail running, paddleboarding, kayaking, skiing, cross-country skiing. They mountain bike more than I do and rock climb more than I do. Cross-country skiing is my favorite thing to do. So that's a little bit about me.